In this video, I'll show you how to get a full unabbreviated financial statement from Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to go to the fourth option, which is reporting. Now, under reporting, you want to head over to the very bottom under favorite reports and click on profit and loss. Now, once you are on the profit and loss section, what you need to do is simply head over to the date range. Now, if you do want a full report, what you need to do is simply click on the drop down, and in here, you want to set this to this financial year. Now, it will set from the first until the end of the financial year. And on the compare with section, what you need to do is simply compare it to the year in 2 years, in 3 years, or in 4 years. If you want a full one, then I do suggest to add the exact one in which you want to compare with. On the tracking options, if you want to show all or the full one, then simply select all of the tracking categories. Now, at the bottom and the right hand side, you have here an option for more. In here, what you need to do is either set the accounting basis as an accrual or cash. Now, if you do set it as an accrual, at the bottom, you can simply check all of these to include the accounts with zero balance or activity. You can show the accounting basis, the account codes, the decimals, the percentage of the trading income, as well as the year to date. And once you have all of that set up in here, simply head over to the right hand side and click on update. Now, once you click on update, it will show you all of your financial statements on this year. Now, once you do have your financial statement, what you need to do next is head over to the bottom and the right corner. And in here, you can save it as a draft, a published, or a custom one. If you do want to export this statement, head over to the export section. And in here, you can export to a PDF, an Excel, or a Google Sheets. Let's say we want to export this as a PDF that will open our files. And in there, you just want to simply click on save. And once you click on save, you will automatically see that this is how the profit and loss will look like. It will show you in detail all of your profits as well as your losses for each tracking category, as well as the total and the year to date. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.